So what is going on with the Whirlpool is this noise. It's a squeaky noise. We're going to open this up and we're going to see what's going on and we're going to fix it. I'm also going to put a link at the bottom just so that way you can see some of the things that I've used for the Whirlpool Duet dryer. So first, let's pull the dryer out. And as always, unplug the dryer from the source. We're going to put some 2x4s up underneath so we can get up underneath. Okay, 2x4s up under there. Now let's start unscrewing some of these screws. All right, let's get started. All right, so once that's taken off, there's more screws we're gonna have to take off. This one, that one, that one, and that one. Then we're gonna take off this bevel part. This bevel part right here. It just clips off. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pry this in. Kind of opens it up, see all that? So we're gonna pull that bevel off. And it comes off just like that. See that? All right. And then there's 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3 that we unscrew, and then we're gonna kind of go inside and take a look. Okay, remember how everything's getting pulled off. I'm pulling these 2 off. I pulled this one off from right here. I'm gonna have to put it back. It's right next to that red one. I'll pull that red one off as well, and that's this yellow one as well. All right. So it looked like this right here was making a noise, so I had to tighten up all the bolts on there, all these screws, and this one down here. I had to tighten them up because what it was doing was making a squeaking noise, but it was just real loose. So now tighten everything back up, put it all together. There goes the element on the inside. Everything looks like it's working, so I'm gonna put everything back together and let's see how it sounds. Okay, so let's remember how everything went back. Fixing to put this up here. Back everything the way it was. So before putting it back together, make sure you got your band tied up, or before turning it on at the bottom. There's no light in here, but I'll give you some light. All right, moment of truth. Oops, sorry. All right, no squeaking.